creates a good reputation and makes interactions more pleasant and respectful. Would you like any additional information specifically those? Would you like something to mention? Okay. Any questions or clarifications for the different techniques? So at least you have now your idea. Actually, in the initial certificate, because you have already this one, and this is only a sort of reminders on your part. Mga reminders na sa inyong part. Hindi nga pinapamemorize sa inyo. This is only the reminders on your part. Any clarification or question? Okay. So, do we still have a meeting before our exam? No, may one meeting more time. No, that's Monday. Next week. So, we're going to have our review on November 3. I'm going to start with. I hope you can remember the different techniques I gave you. Sino ba yan? Friends, hindi na naman para mas magagal sa atas. Ha? Patay na ba naman? Ako may patus. Hindi pa ito siya. Pagkakinan slide na yung mga batas na siya. Actually, wala na okay, see you Monday. Bye. Hindi ka mo mangalap.
Live lang, ma'am.
Hindi ka mo mangalap.
Live lang.
Remember, you have to visit the cemetery. Yes. Okay, see you.
Nagila kay mga saot naman ta. No. Music ka na, Jel. Jel, music ka na, Jel. Dali ah. Wala. Lunch break na namin. Wala naming klase. Yung teacher namin sa sa 11 to 1. Nagklase na sa ngayon. So, 10 to 12.